how to cancel GoDaddy web hosting subscription. So here the first thing that we need to do is load up the GoDaddy website, click on your name in the top right, and then here we will go into renewals and billing. Now we want to find the web hosting subscription which we want to cancel. So as you can see, currently it's going to renew in a month for me. We want to click on the three dots to the side here, and then you will select turn off auto renew. Here it's going to show us just by canceling auto renewal. You understand that this will be responsibility to make manual payments for uninterrupted service, so on and so forth. So if we click on cancel renewal, and this is going to cancel the auto renewal for the specific product. And also we can just click on delete product. So if you have deleted product, then this will completely remove this from your GoDaddy website. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.